what to expect with the animal farm this week, and what my plans are when it unpauses. That's what we're going to go over in this video. So let's get into it. What's up, folks? Welcome to Beach Office 365, where I bring you the latest and greatest in DeFi, crypto, and passive income. So I was thinking a little bit, and look, I think that it's going to be really important that we all just ground ourselves in expectations for this week. I mean, I'm super bullish about Drip, about the animal farm, about Forex, the whole protocol. I mean, this is it. Like this is it. If you're patient, you compound, you're knowing how to use the animal farm and the faucet. This is real financial freedom. This is where it starts. All right. But that being said, with launches, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm not a big fan of launches. I don't like getting in them. I don't like the volatility. I've done so many times. I've gotten into things, especially even back when I was in the stock market, where there would be, an initial public offering or news came out the night, before the market opened, and then everything goes crazy. I have bought at the top so many times, and so I've learned my lesson. So with these crypto projects, I mean, we see this an enormous amount of volatility. I don't know what's going to happen when the animal farm unpauses. I'm thinking that there's going to be probably some selling. And that's what I'm kind of hoping for, because when that happens, I will likely be DCAing in with pigs and dogs. If pigs starts taking off, I mean, I'm going to wait. I'm just going to wait. Right. And honestly, I mean, I will be putting money in there. You get 20% bonus if you put new capital into the animal farm. And so I think a lot of people are going to be taking advantage of that, because that's free money. And that doesn't mean 20% only into pigs and dogs. There's a lot of pools, liquidity pools that you can get money in. And I think we all need to be taking advantage of that. So just recognize, like, there's a lot of hype leading up to this. A lot of times when there's a lot of hype, people may want to take advantage when something pumps and start selling. So let's just quickly take a look over at the animal farm. And there's the different pools that you can get into, right? Just staking, right? You can stake ETH, cake. You have the farms. This is adding to these, you're going to get that 20%. I'm planning to do is, if pigs and dogs start flying, okay, I'm probably going to add this, okay, the Drip BUSD pair. And what's pretty cool about this one in particular, to add liquidity, right? To get into liquidity pools, you got to go over to PancakeSwap, and there's a way of instead of purchasing, particular coin, you go to liquidity pairing, and then you're combining, usually it's BUSD with whichever coin that you're wanting to pair with to provide liquidity for that. This one in particular is that you don't need to go over PancakeSwap to do that. You come over to the Drip Liberation, you just get some BUSD, right? You get BUSD in your Metamask wallet, right? Add it into here, and it does the pairing for you, and you get a 20% boost. And as we know, Drip right now, I think, is at a low, it could be at the bottom, right? We could be seeing the floor. 30 could be that floor. So this could be a really good play when the animal farm opens. If I'm seeing pigs and dogs just kind of like going like crazy, and there's mass hysteria, which also, we don't even know what time he's going to open. I don't care what kind of countdown timer he has. With Forex, I know the reason I like him so much is because he's so meticulous about the protocol, right? But he doesn't really care. I mean, he tries to care about deadlines and getting things launched and stuff like that. But if he sees a glitch, he's gonna slow everything down. If you guys remember when the animal farm actually launched, I mean, it was like all day and nothing. Everyone was just kind of like waiting. With the amount of 90, I mean, look at this, 90% wrapped BNB and BUSD. APR, 132%. I mean, I don't know if some of you are new to drip, you probably haven't really explored the animal farm, but there is fantastic ways to stake money, to add liquidity, and park just a ton of money into this protocol. If you believe in this, if you know that Forex is your guy and you want to start moving capital over there instead of just putting it in places like Nexo or Anchor, I mean, this is what he's building, right? This is what he's building here. Not financial advice. At the end of the day, you got to do what's best for you. I have Nexo, you know, I do use other platforms, but I am, you know, putting capital into this, and I plan on adding quite a bit more. Anything that I'm claiming from drip, it's going to be going to people on my team, and then I'm going to be adding it you know, here. I don't plan on pulling profits really from this whole ecosystem for a while now. And if you have the patience, right? If you can have the patience to realize what will my life be like in 6 months or a year, if I'm compounding, if I'm adding to these liquidity pools, if I'm staking my pigs, if I'm taking advantage of the piggy bank, what kind of financially, if I do all those things, start thinking about that. Think about your why. Think about why you're doing the stuff that you're doing. It is to get passive income. The idea is that this is becoming an owner in a protocol where you can start earning passive income. I'm excited. A lot of different things could happen here. So I'm going to go back over to my garden. By the way, guys, you know, in terms of knowing when to compound, there's a cool little thing here. I can leave a link. Jonathan over at the Drip Farm is involved in this project. So this helps you know when you're supposed to plant your seeds, right? So because there is a little bit of game theory here. You can end up, you know, wasting seeds if you don't know when to plant them correctly. So basically you just take your address, copy it in here, and this is what, all right, so in 4 minutes, that would be a good time for me to compound, all right? If I want, I mean, I think I have you can set timers on these, like notify me on my phone after I've done, you know, whether it's 25 plants or 10 plants or 75 plants. So, but it tells you, look, I'm making 52 plants a day, which isn't great, but and I've just been doing nothing but compounding, right? Just riding this thing down. I'm taking it till the wheels fall off, because it just doesn't make sense for me to try and claim right now. I mean, I did get in, I think when plants were like $4 or something like that. But at any rate, this is a cool little thing. I can leave a link down below. There's a lot of great tools that some developers have put out. I'm going to really start putting these out in terms of for people to use these links, and I'll leave that down below, because, you know, whether it's a calculator or you know, it's an auto compounder, I'll wait the 4 minutes and then I will compound. Right? And then I'll plant my seeds. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about what's going to happen this week with the animal farm unpausing. I think it's important to have a plan so that you don't get too caught up in emotions and FOMO into something that if you had just waited a little bit, you could have gotten a better price. Listen, sometimes being super aggressive is also the plan, and saying, I'm getting in right away because I think everything is going to fly. Do it. Do it. Just have a plan, right? Just start gathering information on the areas of the farm that you want to start focusing some attention to. 20%, you're getting free money. Find something. That is financial advice. No, I can't say that. I myself am going to take advantage of that. And you know, if that means just putting something in one of these pools, then that's what I'm going to do. So let me know what you guys think in the comment. If you got anything out of this, please hit that like button. This will get out to more people. Anytime you see a video that's bullish on a particular project you're in, like, comment, it helps, right? And so I really appreciate that if you would, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.